Okay, so today is July 12, 2020. And July 12, 2020. So after lunch, yan, drinking my hot Lipton tea. And okay, so I'll give you some basic tips. Yan. So I'll show you kung ano ba yung tips na ibibigay ko sa inyo. So that's my money plants or devil's ivy. So at the back may devil's ivy pa ako, and also this one. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some tips. I know that most of you or most of us basic lang to, sobrang basic lang. So most of us we are in love with the succulents like that, ornamental plants that we use them for as decorations, and that's why we call it ornamental, and it's intended for decorations, intended for what they called as air purifier, and some of us we treat them as what's this, a stress reliever. Okay. Some of us treat them as okay, it's good in my eyes, like that, good in ambience ng ating bahay, ng ating kwarto. For me, they are my friends, right? They are my friends. So I take care of them, not just only the beauty of the plants, but I'll make sure that they have the quality care. Now, why I'm giving you these tips, because there are lots of us are obsessed in plants, indoor plants. Okay, so indoor or outdoor plants, if you have the space outside, if you have the space inside your house, it's very good to start. So the tips that I'm going to give you is that the typical insects, okay, the insects that we found in our plants, okay, especially sa mga succulent plants. This is devil's ivy. So I'm going to show you. Just now I finished to clean that one. Okay, I finished to clean the leaves, the foliar part of the plant. So I'm going to show you why I clean the plants. It's because I put some pictures, if I can edit this video, so that you will see what are the insects hiding or living on your plants. So some of you, maybe you will ask why my plants is dying, why the leaves are getting yellow. Okay, getting yellow, and after that they will die. Okay, so there is one someone, right, hiding, or we don't recognize them as an enemy, right, but it's an enemy of plants. This is what we call mealybugs. Mealybugs is hiding anywhere in this at the back of the leaves, in front, here, inside of the stem, okay, on the nod. Okay, so I'm going to show you the back of these leaves. This is the front side and this is the back side. So as you can see, there are lots of mealybugs at the back. Okay, once they became what's this, colonies, napakadami na nila, they can kill your plants slowly, right? You will see your plants slowly. Okay, so this is mealybugs. Okay, they are hiding on this side, they are hiding on this side. Okay, so as you can see, this is dry leaves, but they are still there, right? Now mealybugs is very dangerous on our plants. When we buy, so I will give you these tips, okay? It's basic, sobrang basic yung mga tips na bibigay ko. When you buy the uh, indoor plants, you need to check the plants if they are infested, if there's insects already. So you will ask, why there are lots of insects in my plants, like, what is happened, right? What is happening, what are happenings, okay? So when the time you bought them, okay, so example, I have 10 pots of plants inside my room, and they are okay for a month. Then after, suddenly they became infested. Why? Maybe the last plant that you bought in a garden shop are already infested. There are already insects there. Okay, there are already insects there, and it's very easy for them to multiply. Okay, it's very easy for them to multiply. When you what's this example, this is ornamental, but this is kamote. This is sweet potato. Okay, so this is infested, this is not infested. So you place on the side, then the leaves overlap. It's very easy for them to crawl and transfer and transfer and transfer and transfer on their plants. Then they will be infested. Okay, so let's say what I will do, right? What I will do. So there are basic tips that you can do to avoid and to prevent the insects, okay, to multiply. Okay, first is to check them from time to time. Check, okay, do some inspection, okay, especially when you bought the new plants. Inspect them, make sure that you check them. Okay, so what if it is already infested? Okay, so what I will do, Mr. Gonzalez, okay, brother, sir, okay, what I will do, so you will get this rugs, okay, you will mix some what's this, hand soap. Okay, hand soap, you will use the hand soap and mix on the water, right, like that. Then dip this one, then clean the plants. Okay, clean the plants, or else you will use the spray. So just dilute some, the ratio is 1 to 10, like that. So it depends, as long as it's not it's not harmful to the plants. Okay, it's not harmful. You know what, the dishwashing soap or the detergent, they are also, it says they are also fertilizer in the soil in time after the decomposition. Okay, after the decomposition happens, they became fertilizer of the soil. Okay, so what I do is that I dip this in the hand washing soap, hand wash soap. Then I wipe them. Okay, I wipe them, I remove the leaves, I remove the dead leaves. And this dead leaves is also dangerous when you put them back on the soil. Why? Because during the process of decomposition, our air is 20.9 oxygen and 79.1 what's this nitrogen. Okay, there are lots of bacteria also that it is we don't see them. Okay, we don't see the bacteria flying like that. So when they touch the soil, and this during the process decomposition, this is organic. Okay, this is organic, then they multiply. So you will see the soil became white. Okay, they became white, and the mold started. And when the mold started, it is very harmful on your plants. Okay, it's very harmful on your plants. So that my advice for you is that take care of them. First, inspect them. Okay, second, clean them, clean the plants as frequent as possible. Okay, remove if you see some white what's this, white insects anywhere, on the stem, on the leaves, on the nod of the leaves, like that, please remove them. Okay, please remove them uh, carefully, because they're very soft. Okay, they're very soft. Okay, so maybe during the cleaning process, maybe you cut the where is the is this where is the mealybugs hides. Usually they hides on the young leaves, especially on the small one. So if you see the last part, it is burning, right? Why it's burning? It's not about the fertilizer, okay? Because the fertilizer is, they can burn your plants in time, very fast. But if you see the plants is burning slowly, meaning to say that it is infested. Okay, it is infested at the back of this. Okay, I show you already. Okay, at the back of this, it is already infested. Okay, but if you wipe them, if you use the rugs with the diluted soap, or you can use some what's this, if you have money to buy some chemicals to use them. But the homemade, you can use only the hand wash soap, or even the dishwashing liquid diluted in water and spray into them. But careful usually, because we don't really know how the plants is reacting on the what's this, on the water dripping directly on the soil. Okay, so it's very careful on using sprayer and some chemicals like that. So hand washing soap, dishwashing, that's it on cleaning. Okay, so that's my tips on ornamental plants, especially on the devil's ivy or money plants or photos. So that you can take care of them. Okay, don't what's this, don't waste your time uh, and wait. Prevention is better than cure. Okay, prevent them by inspecting them. Okay, inspecting them, check the leaves, check the back, check at the nod of the leaves, like that, so that you can prevent the insects to multiply. Okay, you will take care of them, wipe them, because also the dust is when the dust settle down like that. So the dust, where during the decomposition of this dust, they became also a food of the insects. Okay, so that's it. That's my tips. I hope that you learn very basic only. Okay, so please don't forget to inspect, don't forget to give the right care on your indoor plants. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. I hope that you get the points. Okay, this is only 13 minutes or 14 minutes a video, so you can watch this. You can share also to other who are in love with indoor gardening. Okay, so that they know how to take care of their plants. Okay, so if you like this video, I hope that you subscribe because my subscribers really okay, so subscribe and follow my Facebook page, so that you will learn a lot in a basic way. So I will not give you the technicalities of gardening. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. God bless.